Hi YouTube. This what I have here is the Osmo Action 3.5mm audio adapter. It works great for motor vlogging. It will no more clipping. It will reduce wind noise. Only problem it drown the exhaust note so much. But I have to boost up the gain to probably +3 or +4. Then I will get the exhaust note. But something that disappointed me is you look at this selection here, you can see the microphone gain is at 3 dB and there will be a microphone indication. Okay, I start again. We select the microphone indication. Okay, right. So currently we select the microphone. You can see the channel is stereo, gain is 3 dB. I'm using an external microphone here. Watch what happened once I plug into the power bank to charge it at the same time that I'm using the external microphone. Just watch what happened. Okay, power bank on. See, the system switched to the internal microphone, the front microphone. It just disabled the external microphone. This was not mentioned anywhere that I can find. So what's happening, DJI? Why do you need to disable the external microphone when we plug in a battery to charge the camera? This is ideal for motor blogging because it have endless power. If I can charge it, put it to a power bank or a power USB outlet. But unfortunately, it doesn't happen. Watch what happens if I pull the power. Now the power is removed. See, it will goes back to the external microphone. So you cannot use the external microphone at the same time while you are charging the camera. So that's defeat the purpose of giving us a charging port on this audio adapter. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.